This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to add social media icons to your email signature on Gmail. So I'm just going to show you what my email signature currently looks like. If I click on Compose here, you'll see down here in the bottom right corner, this is the email signature that gets pulled in on all of my emails every time I send an email, whether I'm replying or whether I'm sending a fresh new email. And you see that I've got these icons here. I've got the Facebook one. I've got, these are actually slightly outdated, need to update them, but I've got Facebook here, I've got Twitter, and I've got Instagram right here. So I've got these good looking icons that obviously have kind of a visual identity, you know, they're all in the kind of blue and white. Right here. So how do you actually add this to your signature? Well, first of all, you need to create an email signature in Gmail, which I'll show you how to do now. So first of all, we go settings at the top right, then we click on view all settings. Now from here we have you can scroll down actually, and the signature is right at the bottom. So we're in settings, we're in general, so you don't have to click on any of these other tabs at the top here. We're just in general in settings. We come down to the bottom, and now you can see that the signature, the email signature, is right here. So we can literally edit it right from here. If you click edit the signature name, that actually just brings up the email there. I'm just thinking, I think you can actually expand this. Apparently you can't. I always thought it was a bigger window. But yeah, so this is how I've created this email signature here. You can see the text I've done right here. So obviously you can just start to type and add or edit your text directly from here. You can do font size right here. You can do bold and italics and stuff. So that's essentially how you create a basic email signature. I'm not going to go into all the ins and outs of it, as this is mainly about these icons right here, how to actually add the social icons. But these are links right here. You can create those by literally highlighting a text if I wanted to create that as a link, which I wouldn't do, but you can just hover over this hyperlink tool right here and just type in your link there, and that would actually become a link as well. And once you've clicked save changes at the bottom, all of those changes will go live and will be immediately reflected in your signature when you reply to someone and when you send a new email. So how do you add these? Well, I've literally just added them directly in here. So you can literally just paste these in, or you can literally click insert image and you can find them Google Drive or the web address right here. How do you actually find these kind of icons? Well, I recommend something like Canva. If you have Canva, you can also do like a Google image search and you can find this stuff. But if you have Canva, you can find these icons, and as long as, I should have also mentioned that, as long as you can actually legally use those, you need to find things that are free to use. So if you find these little icons like I've got here, I found these. Actually, I'll show you where you can find some good ones. If you come over to, actually, this is a really cool site, just so I'd show you on the spur of the moment. I wasn't going to go into this much detail on how to actually find the icons themselves. I was just going to show you how to add them, which obviously I've already done in this video. But this site right here, there's lots of sites like this, iconbuddy.com. You can find SVG icons. This is just one site of many. But you see there's tons of different icon packs here. You can find the exact pack that you want. Like I say, make sure you have the rights to them. You either buy the rights to them or you use a free set of icons. You could go social media here in the search, see what that pulls up. Loads of different social related icons. There's like Facebook stuff here, all sorts of different, I mean, you could literally just put Instagram in here if you wanted to say find an Instagram icon. I'm sure they have those. They've got tons of those. Every different version of Instagram icon you could want, including the official one right here. Again, make sure you got rights for these, buy them, or get a free version that allows you to use it. And you're just going to literally add them in here. So whether you insert the image this way, like I showed you, or you just copy and paste the icons in here. Once you have added those icons, you can turn them into links as well in the same way. So you highlight it and you can use the link tool there. Or if you've already got the link like I have, you can change it from here or remove it. So awesome. These are clickable. So when someone gets this email, they can go, oh, what does this guy's Facebook look like? His Twitter, his Instagram, and they can click on that. Once you've made those changes, click Save Changes. Bam. You have a really cool looking, well, quite cool looking, probably need to update it, but you've got your email signature with these nice icons, these nice social icons here. So hopefully you found this video on how to add social icons to your email signature on Gmail useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.